one batteries charging left. Then they're all charged in RS Media. How many minutes is left, I wonder? That's still there. These rubber bands are broken. They keep coming off. That's why they're broken. Oops. Say thank you. No, I'm not saying thank you. I'm never going to say thank you to you. Still kind of dead, actually. There's 2 batteries dead in her still. Okay, I'm turning her off. She doesn't work down here, obviously. It's the only one it sees. The red one is completely dead. I don't care. Beat it. No, it's not dead. It was just too tight, I guess. That's really fast. Really fast.